Alright, hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you something really exciting. How to take a simple photo, turning it into a 3D model, and then bring that 3D image to life as a moving video. By the end, you will see exactly how a flat picture transforms into a stunning 3D animation you can use for your projects, TikTok, Reels, or any creative platform. Click on Start menu and then search Google Chrome. You can choose any browser you want. So me, I'm choosing Google Chrome. Okay, then let's search Gemini AI. Okay, then I click on this first link. You see, to create the Nano banana image, you need to make sign up. Let's create a free sign up account. You can sign up with Google. All right, now we have already signed up. Let's click on no thanks, and then we have now access to Nano banana. Okay, when I click on try editing the best image with Nano banana, you see I can click here, and then it is select image editor or create. When you don't see that alert, you can click here on tool, and then you choose create an image with Nano banana first with Gemini AI. Okay, now we need to add a picture by simply click on this plus icon. Okay, then I click upload the file, then I select where I saved my file. This is typing file, and I click on open. Takes a few moments to load it with the internet. The remaining one is to add the description of what you need to do. And remember, we need to change our image into 3D. I'm going to open the new tab, and then I search ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT opened. It's better when you create a free account. Okay, you can sign up for free. It's free, as you see. Then you can copy this prompt. Okay, you will find it in description down below, and I'm going to make a copy. This helps to improve the prompt engineering, how we feed our model. Then I paste it in ChatGPT. It's going to create me a good prompt for Nano banana. Okay, then I'm going to copy this. Copy. I'm going to go on Gemini and I paste it here. After I click on send. All right, and then I wait a small moment. All right, now the image has been already created. The prompt was about to tell Nano banana model to create or change that image into 3D. Now let's create a video from this 3D image. We simply go on this new tab and I search labs.google.com. Let's click create with flow. Click create with flow again. Create on new project. Okay. Now on this new interface of labs.google.com, I'm going to click on text to audio, and I choose frames to video because I need to convert image to video. And then on this, you can click on this plus icon by simply select our image. Okay, then click on upload. Then I'm going to choose my 3D image. Is here for download. I'm going to select this 3D image, and then I click open. Then I need to set my ratio. I may set on landscape, or I can set on portrait. It is based on what you want. But now in this video, I'm going to use landscape. Okay, I'm going to come here and I choose landscape option. Okay, then I click on the crop and save. Take a few moments. Now you see the image has been already uploaded on Google Labs. Okay, the remaining one is to add the generate a video with the text and the frame. So we need to add here the description of what we will need to do with that image. Okay, I'm going to come here and I copy this prompt. You can copy this prompt on description down below, and then I paste it on ChatGPT to generate a good prompt for a video. Okay, this helps to enhance our prompt. Okay, the better your prompt, the better the video you get. That's why I'm using ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy this generated prompt back to labs.google.com, and then I paste the prompt here. Then I click send. Then it will take a few moments. Boom. The video has been already cleared. Okay. I can come and I click on this play button. Now they will start being played. You see, someone is typing and celebrate. So you can change a prompt as you want. Like someone is stand up, is moving, is dancing. Anyone that can make a viral on different social media platforms. That's great. You can download your video by simply click here and click on original size. Then right now, the video has been downloaded to our local computer. If I want, I can open it right now. Now you see, this is our video on local computer. That's great.